So what is substitution and how do we work it out? Find out in today's video. So what is going on, guys? This is Mr. Ryan's tutoring here and I am back with another video. We're going to carry on our algebra journey today, specifically with the topic known as substitution. So the first question we need to ask ourselves is, what is substitution? And it's quite simple really. Substitution is the process of substituting something into something else. If that definition confused you, don't worry too much as I'm going to show you an example right now. So a typical substitution problem might be as follows. If x equals 2, what is 4x plus 2? Now you might be thinking that sounds really confusing, but it's actually very simple. So let's look at the x part of the equation first of all. So as you can see, x equals 2 and we need to find 4x. All we need to do for this is simply just do 2 times 4 because there's 4 x's and that gets us 8, and then we just add on the 2 at the end from the add 2 and we get 10, and that will be our final answer. It's that simple really. Now let's see if you guys are ready for a quick quiz on this. So I'm going to put an equation on the screen which is as follows. If y equals 3, what is 3y plus 3? That is, if y equals 3, what is 3y plus 3? Let's see if you guys can do this, and I'll reveal the answer in a minute. And I'm sure you guys got this correct anyway, but you should have got an answer of 12. So with substitution, there's often more than one letter involved in the equation. So I'm going to show you an example of that as well so we fully understand the topic. So here is a quick example. If x equals 2 and y equals 4, what is 5x minus y? So let's look at the x's for this equation first of all. So we know that x equals 2 and we've got 5 of them. So we need to do 2 times 5, which gets us 10. However, we've still got the y and it says minus y. And we know that y equals 4, so we just simply need to do 10, take away 4, which gets us 6, and that'll be our final answer. So I think you guys are already ready for a quick quiz. So here is the equation. If a equals 6 and b equals 4, what is 4a minus 2b? And if you guys were paying attention, which I'm sure you all were, you would have got the answer of 16. So guys, you've probably guessed it already, but it's actually time for the grand finale quiz. So for today's grand finale quiz, Mr. Ryan Jr. is going to put 4 substitution equations on the screen, and it's your guys' job to figure out what the answers are. Good luck! And if you guys were able to get all of them correct, congratulations, you are now officially substitution masters. But anyway guys, that is it for today's video, but don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.